Hi,
Hi, David. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Just gonna turn you around so people can see who I'm talking to. This is my good friend Yannis. Now's my time to learn to cook. So,
So
because
why? Tell me.
because I'm missing my friends and missing their cooking, and now's for me to learn. And so I've been having loads of fun and learning lots. And today you're going to teach me tzatziki. Tzatziki, right?
It's
Okay.
like the translation in English would be something like a Greek yogurt garlic sauce, something like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
It's like tzatziki is like our only, the most prolific Greek deep sauce. In the generation of my parents, people like 60 years old or more,
yeah,
they didn't know any other sauce here in Greece except tzatziki. It's a relatively easy sauce to make, to prepare, because it involves like relatively few ingredients. And like if you do the whole process correctly, you don't have to fear anything. If this will, you cannot ruin the dish. I mean.
okay. Well, okay. I'll try not to. Right. So
So
I need
first
a
things
couple of.
first, to make the real Greek tzatziki, you absolutely need Greek strained yogurt.
Yep.
This gives the characteristic texture of the tzatziki. You cannot use any other yogurt except from Greek strained yogurt. This is
Yep.
absolutely important.
Yep.
Take the yogurt and add it in a bowl.
Into a bowl.
Take another bowl
Yep.
and put a kitchen towel inside.
Put some what? Sorry.
A kitchen towel.
A kitchen towel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not very thick, no?
No. No.
Okay. So now inside there you will grate the cucumber.
Grate the
So
cucumber.
so
Okay.
you take the cucumber and you remove the skin.
Oh, okay. I just need to remove the skin.
Yeah. So once the skin removed, you take the cucumber
Yep.
and you grate it with a cheese grater.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Right. And where am I going to grate that
So,
into?
so don't use the thin. Yes, this one. This.
That one.
No. The other one.
That one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
So yeah, you grate it inside the towel.
Okay. Into the towel. Yep.
Yeah, into the towel. Yeah.
Okay. The whole cucumber.
Yeah. You will see why in a few seconds. So now add some salt inside
Yep.
the cucumber. Not a lot, like a pinch of salt.
Okay.
Okay. And now listen, this is the most important part of the recipe, so pay special attention. This is what can ruin the tzatziki. You
Okay.
take the towel
Yep.
and you make it like, I want you to press the cucumber in order all the juice, all the water from the cucumber to go inside the bowl.
Okay. So you pull the towel like this.
Exactly, like that. And you squeeze it like, yeah, exactly.
Like
Exactly.
this.
but very, very with a lot of force. You know, like if you hated it, like imagine somebody, think of someone that you really hate. Take out all the water from the cucumber. All this water, if it stays inside, it will ruin your perfect texture of the Greek tzatziki.
Right.
And that's why we added the salt in order to help us to remove the water.
Okay. I'm just going.
So once the water removed from the cucumbers, we throw
Yep.
this juice, this liquid, we add it in
Okay.
the yogurt.
So this, what's in here goes in the yogurt.
Exactly. This is the essence of the cucumber.
Okay.
This is like the pulp of a fruit without any water.
Okay.
This is what we need.
Okay, so all of this goes into the yogurt.
Exactly.
Okay.
Let me see how much it was. Like I can't see what's inside the bowl. Okay, so mix it up. Let me see. Perfect. So inside there, you add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar.
Right.
We add. Like we're doing like this recipe. And now, just take a garlic clove, but this is also this is according to taste. I mean, here in Greece we make it tzatziki with a strong flavor of garlic. We like it very strong.
Okay.
Now, if you don't like enough garlic, just use half a clove.
Okay.
If you like garlic, you want to make tzatziki stronger, you can use 2.
I use this, so it's crushed garlic. So
okay. No, you can use the garlic pasta.
Okay.
What we do here in Greece is that in a blender, in a mixer, we add the garlic with 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Yeah.
And we make like we make it like liquid, very finely chopped with the oil inside the blender.
Yeah.
And then we add in our tzatziki.
Okay, I think so. It must probably end up just like this. So,
yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna put in. I quite like garlic, so put that much in.
Okay. So just add a bit of olive oil inside the.
Just a touch.
Yeah, a touch. Okay, perfect. So mix everything. Let me see what you got done. Okay, perfect. Add some salt and pepper.
Right. Just grab some pepper. Right.
And this is the point where you must finely chop some dill. So what we do in Greece at this point is that we taste and we add the ingredient that we want, the quantity of the ingredient that we want according to taste. You can't do this yourself because you're not experienced in tzatziki. So
Yeah.
I don't know. You can add some more salt or garlic if you want a stronger flavor. I don't know how you.
It tastes lovely. It tastes nice.
Okay. Perfect. So that was all. You put it in a presentation bowl, like
Yeah.
to put it on the table.
Yeah.
And with this lovely Greek dish sauce, you can accompany pita bread, you can accompany like vegetables, and of course you can accompany meat. Like this dip sauce, we use it every time in Greece. Every time we make a barbecue, it's absolutely important with our barbecue to prepare tzatziki.
Yeah.
No barbecue exists here in Greece without tzatziki.
Of course. So, well,
No, we don't have any. Back when I was a kid, we didn't have on the table neither mayonnaise nor mustard or ketchup or barbecue sauce or whatever of its condiments. They didn't exist in Greece. We had only tzatziki.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's how